Hello, I'm going to show you how to complete a worksheet online. So here's a copy of our agenda. I'm going to click on that once, and then you see this box pops up. So I click on it down here. That opens up my page. I want to make a copy, so I'm going to click that. It takes a second. You can see it's thinking up here. And there we go. So just like before, the first thing you want to do is name this for yourself, okay? That's the very first thing you want to do. Otherwise, when I get this, it's just going to say copy of, and I'm going to think, well, whose is this? So if I take my mouse and I click right there, see how it's blinking? That's how I know that that is exactly where my cursor is. I can hit backspace a couple times to delete it, or I can click and drag over. It's blue now. That means it's highlighted. I can hit backspace and it'll take the whole thing out. So you're going to type your name. Okay, your name is not Miss Anderson, so don't type Miss Anderson, type your name. Okay, this is mine, so this is my example. So I've got it named, we're good. So how much money is shown by the coin? So these are pennies. It's just counting by ones. This should be a good review for you. So see how there's question marks? This one was done for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that question mark. Okay, so see how that box comes up with the other little blue squares around it? When my cursor is blinking, I'm going to hit backspace. So now I've erased my answer. So I'm going to type in my answer now. How many? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm just going to use the button on my keyboard, 3. Okay, so let's say I click this, I can't get in, I don't know what I'm doing, and I accidentally delete the whole box. Okay, you don't want to do that, so try not to do that. But if it happens, what you can do is, oh no, my box is gone. Go back up here, see how there's an arrow pointing back? It says undo. I'm going to click it once. There you go. It comes back. Okay, so if you make a mistake, don't panic. Just always remember to go back to undo. I use this button many times myself. So I'm back again. So I got my cursor. I'm going to hit backspace. How much is it? Well, they're pennies, so the answer is going to be the same. It's also 3 cents. I type in my answer. Okay, so I'm going to do this for the rest of this. Same thing. There are 4 pages in this activity. So once I'm finished, remember, I'm going to go to share, and I'm going to type in Miss Anderson's email address. Whoops, make sure you do it right. And see how it started to come up because it's remembered me? Nope, not working. Okay. That's what I want. Okay, so see how it came up. This is the person I want. So I'm going to click that. If you want to send me a message, you can. You can leave it blank. Here are my penny worksheets. Or you can leave it blank. I'll know what it is. And you click send. And then I get it. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.